Hello, wonderful people. How are you doing? Today, I show you how to make this simple but yet delicious egg sauce. So I'm chopping some carrots. You can use any vegetable of your choice. I'll also be chopping some habanero pepper. If you don't want heat in your stew, you can omit this, okay? So you want to chop your onions as well. You can also blend your onions if that's what you prefer. I have some tomatoes here. I'm going to be blending one habanero and then a little onion with half of the tomato. I'll be chopping the other half as well. So you can decide to blend all or chop all, okay? This is everything we are going to be using for the recipe. So you want to heat up your pan under medium heat with some oil and then add in your onions and let them fry until they are translucent, okay? Or until they are about to brown. So once that is done, you're going to go ahead and add the habanero pepper that we chopped earlier. You're going to add some ginger and garlic to this, okay? You can decide to add the ground ones, but I had this one from the market. I bought it and I felt like it was easier to use it. And it also worked really well. So you want to give this a good mix and then go ahead and pour in your tomatoes, okay? You want to cook the tomatoes until they begin to melt nicely. Then you add your sardine oil to the stew, okay? Please make sure you are stirring it periodically so that it doesn't burn. We don't want to be having burnt stew. We want a nicely done stew. Give it a good mix and then go ahead and cook it until it's well done. Then you add your carrots. Unfortunately, I lost that footage. So if you want your carrots crunchy, please stir it for a few seconds and then go ahead to add the eggs that you are whisking, okay? You can decide to whisk your eggs or not and add it to the stew and then cover it and then let it cook for a few seconds. Once the eggs are done cooking, you can see that it has cooked down well. You can just go ahead and stir fry, or you may want to cover it and let it cook again. Give that a very good mix and then go ahead and add any spice of your choice. I added this Remy shrimp spice, just a little. And I added my sardine. I added the sardine before I went ahead to continue spicing because I don't want the spice to spoil the taste of the sardine, okay? The sardine is already salty, so I wanted to add that in first. I also went ahead to add a little bit of stock cube, okay? And then I gave that a good mix and then tasted for salt, added that, and I gave it another very good mix. So make sure that at this point you are on low heat, okay, so that you don't burn your food. And you know I always like onion in my food. I'm an onion fan. So once I gave that a good mix, it was ready to serve and enjoy. The cook is hungry, so let's move fast at this point, okay? So thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be preparing this, if you have, and how it went for you. Thank you so much. Remember, God loves you and has a great plan for your life. I'm finishing my rice. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.